What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix an unknown error has occurred while logging in for Roblox. So let's get right into this. So this is a weird error that's popping up, and there is a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do to fix this error is to go to your search bar, type in network connections until you see this pop up. In here, right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected into, then go to properties. Click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click into Properties. Change it from automatic into this one, which is use the following DNS server addresses, and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, and then try to log in again. If that doesn't fix this, the next thing to do is to go to your search bar, type in CMD, right-click, Run as Administrator. In here, you're going to type in the command ipconfig /flush DNS and successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Do this, restart your computer, log in, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like our video, please thumbs up, gun channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that Tutorials out. Peace.